Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, so today we're gonna be looking at creating functions using the product rule or Leibniz rule and the quotient rule. Okay, that's calculus. So we'll just create the functions and kind of work through our problems and stuff. Okay, cool. So on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you do love what you see, please do subscribe and please do share the videos with your friends. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna type in please do subscribe. Okay, sorry. So please do subscribe. Right, if I could spell, yeah, subscribe. Yeah, there we are. We got there in the end. Right, cool. So I'm gonna import my library. So I'm gonna use SymPy. So from SymPy import star, and then symbols. I'm gonna use X. So symbols, and then string there, and then init printing. It's just pretty printing, that sort of thing, right? And right, so I've got my function. I will call it. It'll be x squared times sine x. Okay. So before I do that, let me define the product rule. Then crack on. So left, and then so I'll call it pro, right? Then u and v, right? And then return. So differentiate u with respect to x, right? Then that's times v plus so diff, right? And then v with respect to x times u, right? Okay, cool. Okay, so I've got a function, so I'll call it f. So that's my function, right? So x squared times sine x. Right, so I need to differentiate that. So I'll start off by using the method that's used in Python, just like the code. So diff, then f with respect to x. So we get that, okay? And then if I use my definition, so I'll do it this way. So that'll be pro, right? And then my u is gonna be x squared, so x squared, right? And then my u is sine x, and so my v is sine x. Right, there we go. So it works, right? So I'll do another function as well. So I'll call it g, and then log x. Actually, hold on. Yeah, x times log x. Right, so diff, so g with respect to x, right? And then the product was also pro, right? And then x, and then log x. Right, there we are. Cool. Right, so we'll crack on. We'll move on to the quotient rule. So quotient rule. Right. So I'll create the function. So def, then quot, right? And then I'll have uv again, right? And then return. Right. So that's gonna be put that in brackets. So diff, right? So differentiate u with respect to x, right? And then that will multiply my v, okay? And then minus, then diff again, right? And then that would be v with respect to x times u, right? Then all this is divided by v squared. Okay, let me just make sure that I've got that correct. Hold on, just make sure that I've done it right. Yep. Cool. Okay, so I've got a function, so we'll call it h, and that's going to be exponential x divided by sine x. So differentiate again, so diff h with respect to x. So we get that, bit untidy, right? So then I'll do my quote part. So exponential x and sine x. Right, so this is a bit tidier, you know, and then I'll show you that obviously they're the same thing. So so diff h with respect to x dot equals, right? So I'll just copy that. So come on, copy and then paste that in there. There we are. Actually, hold on. Sorry. Yep. True. Okay, cool. So yeah, then I'll do another function as well. So h, then that'll call that let's call it a. Yeah, a. So a equals to cos x divided by log x. Okay. So then differentiate as well. A with respect to x. So we get that. Bit of a mess, but hey, it's correct. Quot. And then so cos x and log x. Neater, so tidier. So I think this doing it this way, well, this way anyway, is better because then you get simplified answers. Okay, so I'll just do the same thing again. So just copy that again. So come on, copy, and then put that there. Then dot equals, right? And then now copy that again. So copy that, and then bracket there, then that, and then that. Oh, sorry. Got the wrong one. My bad. Sorry. Right. So diff, copy that, and then paste that in there, and then come on, copy. Right. So the equals. Just make sure that, yeah, true. Okay, cool. Yeah, got there in the end. Sorry, it just got muddled up a bit there, but yeah, we got there, right? And then I'll do a last one, and that'll be x squared over x cubed. So I'll just call it b, right? Okay, BVB for Borussia Dortmund, right? So that'll be x squared divided by x cubed. Right, so BVB, right, so that's that, okay, and then obviously simplifies it, but then I'll do the differential, so diff, and I'll call that'll be BVB with respect to x, right, and then the quotient rule as well, support, right, and so that'll be x squared, and then x cubed. There we are. So we got the same answer. Okay, cool. So yeah, it was just a quick vid showing you how to create functions. So you create the product rule, then you also create the quotient rule, then just work your way through problems and stuff. So showing you how to do it sort of manually in quotes. Okay, cool. So yeah, so if you like what you see, guys, like I said, please do subscribe. Please share the videos with your friends. I would greatly appreciate that. Okay, so thanks for watching. So just type in a comment. So thanks for watching. And please do subscribe and share the videos. Right, cool. Right. Yeah. Right. So thanks, guys. All right. Have a good one. Cheers. Bye.